Those tapes and film reels are not doing you any favors sitting in a box. They fade, they degrade, and they are getting harder to play every year. Let Milford Photo transfer your old home videos and film so you can watch them again, share them with family, and relive your one-of-a-kind memories. From birthdays and holidays to weddings and the everyday moments you forgot you even captured. You'll get them back in a modern format that fits your life now. And if your footage needs help, we can digitally restore it too, improving clarity, color, and stability, so the memories look closer to how you remember them.